When you arrive at the crest of Cozen's Ridge in Rendezvous, one of the Fraser River Valley's premier communities, you'll understand why this magnificent home was built here. As you enter this over 5,100 finished square foot home, you'll be in awe of the massive full-length logs that meet at the apex of the two-story great room. Next, your eyes will marvel at the impressive floor-to-ceiling rock fireplace. Just outside the great room is one of the many covered decks with an outdoor fireplace, turning cool evenings into a warm place for family and friends to gather. From here and every other room throughout this home, you'll take in spectacular views of the Fraser Valley and Byers Peak. This home's kitchen, and in fact throughout the entire home, features the highest quality finishes and amenities. There are solid granite countertops, stone inside and out, a lighting control system, premium surround sound audio system, 5 fireplaces, and 2 entertainment areas. From the large main floor master bedroom with its vaulted ceiling and fireplace, you can walk out on the deck, relax in the spacious master bath. Or if you prefer, you can unwind in the patio hot tub. There are 2 lower-level bedroom suites and 2 additional bedrooms in this 5-bedroom, 7-bath home. Relax in front of the fireplace in the family room with its wet bar. As a winner of Grand County's Parade of Homes, this is one of Rendezvous's mountain castles. Call Team Saffel at 970-726-0123 for a private showing of this magnificent home.